Hello friends, and welcome to the Stanley Way. In today's short video, I'm going to show you how using these Cannits bead connectors for low voltage applications can make your DIY wiring projects a lot easier. Check this out. Inside the connector is a corrosion resistive gel to waterproof the connection for outdoor use. The gel filled end is open to receive the wires and the other end is closed off. There's no need to strip the wires to use this connection. So if your wires are already stripped, simply clip off the ends. Take both ends of the wire and put them together. Insert them into the opened gel-filled end of the connector. And use pliers to crimp the connector, allowing the insulation piercing tines to pierce the insulation of the wire and complete the connection. Thanks for watching, and as always, thank you for your support, and I hope to see you again real soon. Have a great day.